This powerful tea is the best remedy for swollen legs. This type of health condition is also known by the name edema, retention of fluids in the body. This condition causes swelling in your legs and it causes a great pain. Edema can be caused by many reasons such as side effects of some drugs and medications, PMS, pregnancy, poor circulation, excess consumption of processed foods, excess consumption of foods high in salt. But you should know that sometimes it's completely normal if your legs are swollen. For example, during pregnancy if you stand or sit for a long time etc. But if you experience chronic ankle or leg swelling, this might be a sign that you suffer from peripheral edema. This type of health condition can cause some more serious problems such as liver disease, heart failure and kidney problems. So if your ankle or leg swelling is not reduced after a while, then you should consult your doctor immediately. You should also know that there are some herbal and natural home remedies which are very useful and extremely beneficial in reducing swelling. This homemade remedies will help you get rid of the excess fluids and will reduce the swelling in your legs and ankles. Well, one of these natural and herbal remedies is the well-known herb parsley. Parsley has been used centuries ago even by Hippocrates himself. Did you know that the name of this herb is actually a combination of two Greek words? The first one is petrus, which means rock because parsley grows on rocky areas and stone walls. And the second one selenium, which is the ancient name for celery. Well, parsley actually means rock celery. You should also know that there are two different parsley types, curly parsley and Italian parsley, which has flat leaves. People use this herb as a garnish in different types of salads and meals, but many people leave it aside and don't actually consume it. But they are making a big mistake because many studies have found that its consumption can provide many health benefits and it can prevent many health problems such as asthma, allergies, menstrual pain, urinary tract infections, digestive problems. This amazing herb is also very useful in treating bronchitis, improves the breath, it reduces high blood pressure and it also promotes bone health. As we mentioned before, this remarkable and super healthy herb has been used by Hippocrates himself. He used it as a tonic in treating rheumatism, kidney stones or an antidote for poison. According to the Green Pharmacy Herbal Handbook, this herb is an amazing and effective diuretic which helps the kidneys to flush all excess fluids from the human body. Edema. Parsley, effective natural diuretic. A recent study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology has discovered that this herb acts as a diuretic by inhibiting the sodium and potassium ion pumps, influencing the process of osmosis and increasing the flow of urine. You should also know that this herb is loaded with potassium. Some other chemically produced diuretics can reduce the levels of potassium in the human body. But you won't have this type of problem if you use parsley. A different study conducted by a group of researchers in Brazil, in 2009 by the name Diuretic and Hypotensive Activity of Aqueous Extract of Parsley Seeds has also found that this amazing herb boosts the urinary flow and reduces the blood pressure at the same time. The famous Dr. John R. Christopher, America's most famous herbalist, says that you should consume 2 quarts 64 ounces of parsley tea every day, if you want to get the best results in treating edema. Or if it's needed you can increase this amount as well. Note: make sure you use fresh light green parsley leaves with the seeds and the roots when you make this homemade parsley tea. Homemade parsley tea recipe. This tea is very simple and easy to make. Just follow the simple instructions. Here's what you need to do. First you need to chop the parsley roots and leaves. Then you should put 1/4 cup of chopped parsley into an infusion basket. Now you need to pour the parsley with a cup of boiled water or submerge into a teapot. Leave it for 5 minutes, remove the basket and strain the mixture. Note: you can add some ginger, lemon or honey to enrich its taste. If you want to get the best results from this homemade parsley tea, then you should consume it while it's still warm. You can try different methods to reduce your swelling as well, such as, you can do some leg exercises every day to stimulate the fluids from the legs to go to your heart. Or while lying down you can raise your legs on pillows on a height above the heart. This parsley tea is amazing and it can provide many health benefits. Do you drink parsley tea? Share your recipe in the comments section below. And yes, don't forget to share with your friends and family. Thank you.